what is the main feature and purpose of C Sharp. So let's start. C Sharp is a modern general purpose object oriented programming language developed by Microsoft and approved by European Computer Manufacturers Association (ECMA) and International Standard Organization (ISO). C Sharp was developed by Anders Hellesberg and his team during the development of .NET Framework. C Sharp is designed for Common Language Infrastructure (CLI), which consists of this executable code and runtime environment that allows use of various high-level languages on different computer platforms and architectures. The following reasons make C Sharp a widely used professional language. It is a modern general-purpose programming language. It is object-oriented. It is component-oriented. It is easy to learn. It is a structured language. It produces efficient programs. It can be compiled on a variety of computer platforms. It is a part of .NET Framework. Strong programming features of C Sharp. Although C Sharp constructs closely follow traditional high-level languages C Sharp and C++, and being an object-oriented programming language, it has a strong resemblance with Java. It has numerous strong programming features that make it endearing to a number of programming worldwide. Following is a list of few important features of C Sharp: Boolean conditions, automatic garbage collection, standard library assembling, versioning, properties of events, delegates and event managements, easy to use generics, indexers, conditions and compilations. Simple multi-threading, LINQ and Lambda expressions, integration and with Windows. So that's all for today. Well, thanks for watching this video. If you have any queries, let me know below in comment box, and please like and share this video, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.